But for how long?
You're trying to make people forget that he did everything he could.
Well, I'm trying to answer your questions, and you keep on interrupting.
Stop spending! Stop spending! Stop spending! Stop!
How long before the freedom of the press, the freedom of information, and the freedom of free expression are wiped out with just a push of a button? When the power of government grows, so does its objection to dissent. And when the government doesn't like what it reads or what it sees, your right to decide what information is newsworthy can be taken away.
But Obama, trying to distract people from the economy.
The greatest lie that is cleverly orchestrated by President Obama and his whole administration. There's other information out there. There are other points of view. And those points of view are profoundly damaging to a country that believes that its point of view is the only point of view.
And if the government can take away your source of information, it can also replace it with new information to fit its own design.
Welcome to the Obama Broadcast Network.
This is no fantasy. Congress is already working now to give President Obama an internet kill switch.
You have an internet bill. It's been called the kill switch bill.
The legislation says that the president would have the power to declare a cyber emergency.
And the president will find a reason to use it. Sure, we'll be told it's for national security, for safety, to protect the truth, and of course for fairness. But the reality is that a powerful and growing federal government wants to silence the opposition. The kill switch is the new tool of tyrants and dictators who want to control their people. It's happened before in the face of dissent, a complete nationwide blackout of information. In Nepal, in Myanmar, in Egypt. And when China saw what happened in Egypt and acted fast to stop revolution before it could blossom, cell phones, Twitter feeds, and the internet all were shut down. Could it happen in this country?
So Hillary Clinton one day is defending the internet, the next day the administration is proposing all kinds of regulations and ways to cut off the internet if possible.
Your freedoms are in jeopardy. Congress is working to hand over to Obama the unprecedented power to control information. You need to take action now to protect you and your family from this authoritarian nightmare. And if you're ready to take action, where do you begin?